Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Fascinating Jodi. In this video, we will be exploring one of the refined and comfortable stay with a modern touch which is located in the heart of Doha. It's Delta Hotels by Marriott City Center Doha. When you enter inside the hotel, you can see the ambience is modern, sleek, and sophisticated with a focus on creating a welcoming environment for guests. And its lobby is very spacious and tastefully decorated, creating a professional yet relaxed environment. And this hotel also offers many dining options. There is a cafe in the lounge, a more casual spot for coffee, snacks, and quick bites. And it also features a mini mart convenience store for guests to pick up snacks, beverages, toiletries, and travel essentials. Now let's see the reception desk. It's located in the 31st floor, which is the top floor of the building, and here you will get an amazing view of the West Bay area, Doha Corniche view with its waterfront green spaces. So if you come to the top floor during a sunset, the views are particularly dramatic, and at night the view transforms into a dazzling display of illuminated buildings and city lights. Now let's go to the room and check it out. How is it? The room is neat and spacious with modern amenities like a flat screen TV, mini bar, work desk, and a high-speed internet. Washroom area is also spacious with ample room for movement. They are well lit with bright lights, and the vanity area is equipped with this large mirror. All the toiletries, hair dryer is provided, and there is a storage space available for the personal items below the sink. Bathtub is also available along with the bath products, and also there is a walk-in shower area. Rooms with city views offer expansive windows that provides stunning vistas of Doha skyline, including views of the West Bay area and the nearby financial district. The panoramic city views create a dynamic backdrop, particularly at night when the city lights illuminate the skyline. This hotel also provides many storage spaces to ensure a comfortable and organized stay. There are several drawers, luggage rack, and a wardrobe which is equipped with a hanger, shelves, and in-room safe. And also there is an iron box with the table. is a breakfast buffet available in the Satsuma restaurant, which is designed to provide a combination of international breakfast favorites and some Asian inspired options. The atmosphere in the restaurant during the breakfast time is calm and welcoming, with the natural light flooding in from a large windows, enhancing the overall experience. You can have your breakfast while enjoying the sea view also. In the buffet, you will find a wide range of selections which includes salads, quinoa, hummus, cheese and nuts, selection of fresh seasonal fruits and noodles or steamed rice, dim sums and dumplings, a live cooking station where you can order eggs prepared as per your choice, and there are fresh pastries and breads, yogurt and cereals, and some health conscious options are also available. A wide selection of beverages is available, including freshly brewed coffee, a variety of teas, and smoothies. This is a swimming pool area which is located in the 17th floor of the building. Pool area is also spacious and well designed for relaxation and exercise. There is a emerald pool bar, and around the pool you will find comfortable sun loungers and seating areas where you can soak up the sun or relax in the shade. The pool is temperature controlled, allowing comfortable swimming year round, regardless of the season or outside temperature. Shallow and deep sections are available in the pool. This area is equipped with clean, well-maintained shower and changing rooms, allowing the guests to freshen up before or after the swim. There are private cabanas as well for the guests who want extra privacy or a place to enjoy refreshments in comfort. From here, you will get unobstructed views of the city's towering modern architecture, including the West Bay district and the sea view and the surrounding urban landscape. This makes it a particularly enjoyable spot for both day and evening swims. The hotel's fitness facilities typically include a fully equipped gym with a modern exercise equipment for cardio and strength training. So So this is a Lotus Flower Spa by the hotel. It's a luxurious wellness retreat designed to provide guests with a serene and rejuvenating experience. The spa offers a variety of treatments including massages, facials and body therapies aimed at promoting the relaxation, stress relief and overall well-being. So this is our exploration in the Delta Hotels by Marriott City Center Doha. We hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.